is learn how to apply the already existing solutions into your workflow. And one of the best way to learn it is use AI to learn AI, if that makes sense. Use, for instance, so there was a particular time I had like an interesting idea I wanted to, just ship. But now I didn't know how to start, right? So what I did was, I'm a designer, don't get me wrong, and I wanted to design a product that would make inventory management easy for people, prediction model that would make inventory management easy for people, sales forecasting easy for people. I hope I'm as simple as possible, please. Yeah, I'm as simple as possible, right? Because I know this is like a beginner-friendly class. All right. So I wanted to build an app that helps restaurants predict the kinds of food or meal to prepare ahead of customers coming. Right. I don't have to start going through the process of understanding how to build a model, how to consume data and all of that, how to write Python code. Right. All I just need to do is, thankfully, there are no code tools that you could literally use. They operate on this already existing and established infrastructure. What I did was I learned no code to AI, no code to with AI. I went to ChatGPT. Hey, I want to build this. How do I go about it? ChatGPT tells me this. I'm like, okay, how do I go about the next step? It tells me this. I'm like, how do I go about the next step? So my learning is faster, and we learn by doing.